one should I bang it with?
This reminds me of a bean.
Which one should I bang it with? Hurry up.
The bean.
The bean?
Yeah.
So you're gonna link it?
No. Just bang it.
Bang!
I wasn't ready.
Ready?
Wait, the address.
I thought that's what you were doing.
I don't know what I did.
Just flip it over and
All
cut
right.
it from the side. You don't have to worry about that.
Okay.
Don't do that. Especially don't do that. Don't do that either. Just lay it down. Okay? Cut it right here.
Okay.
Ready? Bang! Neeves Knives. I'm Jared with my lovely wife, Kara.
Hello.
And today we are doing an unboxing from a really good friend of ours.
Heffrey.
From our buddy Jeff. He
goes by Jay Dizzle now. I forgot to tell you.
We're pretty sure we know what's inside this. He did show us some pictures.
No, we know.
That's what I mean. We know what's inside this, so let's get to it.
I'm not gonna hold
Jeff,
up
you're awesome, man. Thanks for sending this.
I'm not gonna hold up the package because I just can't figure out how to cover up addresses, so I could just blur it. I'm an idiot. I could have just blurred it in the video.
Just get
This thing is sharp.
She won't tell you what it is, though.
It's a Tucson.
What? What? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Bean. That's what I call it.
Tucson bean.
It's the bean.
We'll grab a couple Tucsons. They're very badass.
Look.
We are very amazed at Tucson's quality. We both got one. We will talk about that later in another video. But Tucson's quality is just insane. Now, okay, let's get to this. Oh,
It's just in there naked.
all right, let's do it.
Apparently
Let's
how
do
it
it.
rolls.
What? Show him, bit real close. That's all. It's so awesome. This is a Medford, guys, and he gifted this to Kara. And this is Jeff man. He's such a good guy in this community. I know he's hooked up Metal Complex, and he just does great things for us knife reviewers in the community. Can I check it out? Can I touch it?
I haven't even flicked it yet.
This
Can you flick it?
You got it.
No, I didn't.
Okay, let me try.
Oh, let me try one more time.
This was a present to her. They did discontinue this, he said. Oh my God, this is so crazy. This is our first Medford in our hand.
I'm bringing it to work tonight.
Huh. Wow, this thing flies out. It's got a really deep hollow grind,
You can't
guys.
do that.
They
We
did.
discussed the camera.
They
remember?
did stop making this one, but you know what though? This is
my gosh,
awesome,
here, let me
man.
show it up close.
This is so awesome,
trapped.
Jeff. What? I can use this little guy, man. It's such a chunker. I'm saying a guy could use it. It's such a thick knife, so it fits.
Maybe a
right in the
guy,
hand.
but best believe.
Oh, not this guy.
Not
Our
this
guy, but
guy.
not this guy. This
see
is
it.
awesome, Jeff.
Let me show it. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh, it has this really cool, like, stuffs going on here. It's all, like, grounded and colorful.
Yeah, so it's like flame anode.
I really didn't know in the picture when I saw it, like, how big it was going to be. I honest to God, thought it was a little bigger. I'm so happy
awesome.
it's not, though. I love it.
She's been actually
my God.
wanting a little chunker like this.
I like little chunkers. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Oh my God, I love it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to carry it.
Yeah, because since it's yours, you know, something like a lot of knives we get, especially high end like this.
Yeah,
you know,
I don't get
Medford,
to
we wouldn't
like.
carry something like
Oh my
that unless if we
God.
were told to and allowed to.
It looks like a button.
All right, guys, we're trying to keep this short.
No, we're not.
We will do a review on this later. It is perfectly centered. It just, man, this thing feels very strong. Internal stop
Why are
pin.
you holding it? Let me hold it.
It does have a whatever pivot where you have to get the little tool. I can make one, but
It
I
looks
don't
like a
want to.
button.
It is Medford, so you know I would just probably send it in. I don't even know if they. I'm sure they'd still
This is
stand by the
so
warranty. Medfords are supposed to be like the
cool.
best warranty.
There's literally nothing in here. It's just a hollow.
It's weird. Oh yeah, I guess that's just.
There's no liners. It's all titanium.
Yeah, solid.
There's nothing in there. Just chilling. Oh my gosh, thank you so much,
This
Jay.
is awesome,
Jay
Jeff.
Dizzle for Rizzle.
My nizzle.
For Shizzle. For Jizzle.
Very cool, Jeff. Very cool. Man, it's so easy to flick.
I
too.
know. I didn't even know if it was gonna honestly
The
be
thumb,
flickable.
you can flick, but you want to slow roll, but you can flick it. But the middle finger though, bang. It sounds cool too. Yeah. Ching. that one kind of didn't. Listen, cha-ching. I love it. Ooh, nice and early lockup too. That's awesome. And this finish is so cool. I'm sorry, we're gonna keep going, guys, because this thing is just so awesome. First Medford in the hand.
Yeah, we've never ever held a Medford before.
Man, they're quality too. You can just feel it. I can feel.
Can I say
quality.
something? Can you use the stop pins as like little baby thumb studs?
No, I don't think so. No. Just use the hole.
Don't tell me to use the hole.
Thanks, Jeff. We love you, bud.
Oh my gosh! It's so cute!
It is. That's cool.
Oh, it feels
It's
so
really
strong too.
Cool. Yeah, it does.